I know this step is really extra, but for me personally, I really do enjoy seeing like this cohesive, organized cabinet, and I think that these containers keep your food and spices fresh a lot longer. So I made some labels here, the ones that are on the counter, and the spice jars actually already came with two different label options. So I'm going to go with the white rectangular labels for those, and I'll just like store the black ones maybe for another time. And for the labels that I made on my own, it's really easy. You just need your printer and the label paper. I'll show you guys at the end of the video how to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna take this, put them on the containers, fill them up, and then put them in the cabinet. And then I'm just gonna take all the spices, fill these up, label them, and I'm actually gonna put these in the drawer once I put all this together, and they're just gonna like stack and layer up. Okay, so the easiest way to make your labels at home are to order label sheets. I got mine from Amazon. Whatever size and shape it is that you want, bigger, smaller, I went with these. And then you're gonna go right on Avery.com. They make it super easy for you to do this all for free and do it right on their website. So just go to Avery.com, go to Templates, Avery Design and Print. And then you're going to browse all templates. And you can actually just put in the number, whatever number is on your label sheet, you can actually just put that in and it'll pop right up. Or you could just like scroll. So I know I went with 12. Okay, so once you find your template, you're just going to click select this template. And then they have all these different designs for you to use if you'd like. If you want something super simple or custom, you just click the blank template and then you can design it yourself. So for me, I use my own template, but just for the sake of the video, let's do this one. This is probably better for candles, but it's fine. Okay, and then you just go in. So here, the option is edit all or edit one. If you're going to be making individual labels, which I think you probably are, you're gonna hit edit one. Because if you leave it at edit all, it changes, like any change you make here will be for everything. So go ahead and select the text. And you could put flower. Organic. Blah, 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 blah. And then you just go on and do the same thing with each of the other squares. Then once you're done, you're going to, I put print myself. And then you just download the PDF. And then you're going to select print. Now, when you print, this is your paper, right? You're going to make sure, let me show you guys how to put it in. You're going to make sure don't put it in like this, because when it prints, it's gonna like flip it around. So you wanna turn it around and then put it inside the printer. And I do it one at a time, just to avoid any jams. But yeah, put that in that way, and then you're going to put print. And when you're done, this is how it would come out. It's like liquid drops, cereal sugar. So that's the this is like the shiny version, and this is the matte version. So yeah, that's how you do it.